Lillian, who gave you a present?
Pete Birdie.
Pete Birdie gave you a present? Love that Pete Birdie. What is it? What'd you get?
Oh.
What did Lillian get? What'd you get?
Umbrella.
An umbrella. I think it's a raincoat. And who's on your raincoat?
Umbrella.
It's... Who's that?
Kitty.
It's Kitty. It's a coat for you. Can you say thank you, Pete Birdie? Oh, you give Kitty a kiss? Oh. Can you say thank you, Pete Birdie?
Thank you, Pete Birdie. What's my umbrella?
This is it's just like an umbrella. You wear it when it rains, and it's got a hoodie on it.
Oh, maybe we have the umbrella. Maybe we have the umbrella.